Yo guys, what is up? Okay, today we got our first package from Ohio. I don't know if your name's on this, but Allyce Mcbee. Your package came and I'm so excited to open it. Let's open it. Got my handy dandy box cutter. Oh shoot. Okay, it was backwards. But here we go. Let's open into this box. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Alright, let's see it. What is... Oh my gosh! Oh, no way! These are so cool. Okay, I'm gonna read you. No, she did not. This is freaking fantastic. I'm like at a freaking toy store and I love it. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, I'm gonna read all the little notes she put in here. So, it's a clock. I get it. As in, because I'm pretty sure because it has all the colors of the rainbow. I'm going to hang that up in my room as soon as possible. Oh my gosh, this is so dope. That's so dope. Oh my, I love these. I'm definitely going to add you on Snapchat and stuff, so I'm putting that right there. Apple Crisp are my favorite. I'm going to open them later because I really want them. Oh my gosh, car fresheners. Ooh. Putting those in my car, actually, like when I get in my car. Airheads. Who doesn't love Airheads? The new sour. I've never had those, but okay. I'm going to try them. So freaking dope. This thing, you know I'm taking this to school. You know, oh, this is so dope. I've always wanted one, but I never bought one because, like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Smarties, because, you know, I guess I'm a Smarties. Thank you for always being there for... I'm gonna cry. These are amazing. Thank you for being so inspiring. Thank you for loving everyone. Thank you for teaching me to be me. Oh my gosh. Like, I didn't really realize how much I impacted people until, like, honestly, this hit home. These sticker tattoos. I'm doing this on my live later. Oh my gosh. This is dope. This is crazy. Like, this doesn't feel real. You know what I mean? But I'm going to put your @ down below. Allyce? I think it's Allyce. Allyce, this touched my heart so much. I'm so glad I can do this for you guys. Like, that means so much to me. I've never really gotten, like, this kind of acknowledgement before. I don't know how to react right now, but thank you so much. It means so much to me. Holy crap. I am excited. I'm so excited to use all this stuff. It's like everyday stuff I want and need, and like, those are so cool. So cool. All right. Well, thank you again. I love you the most. I'm putting your @ down below. Oh my gosh. Everyone go follow her. Seriously, add her. Follow her. Do whatever you want. I'm going to go at her right now. Thank you again.